Okay, this is also the very important property, the rule 3. What is the rule 3? As we did the rule 2 property, concluded, the same way I am going to conclude the rule 3. What is the rule 3? Suppose, for example, if I have written negative 2 is less than 1. Okay, what I am going to do, I am going to multiply both sides by negative 1. If I multiply, okay, this is 2 and this become negative 1. Okay, now so you tell me, this 2 is going to be greater than negative 1 or less than? Which sign I need to plug in over here? Greater than or less than? Obviously which sign is going to be plug in? Greater than. So you can see the quantity which was present on the left side was less than previously. Now when I multiply with negative quantity on both sides, the quantity which is present on the left side become greater than the quantity which is present on the right side. So what you can conclude, when we are multiplying with negative quantity, I am talking about the negative, positive doesn't make any difference, it keeps the inequality sign same. I am talking about the negative sign. Okay, when you multiply the inequality by the negative sign, inequality sign get flipped. If it is less than, it becomes greater. If it is greater, then it becomes less than. For greater also, suppose for greater also, I'll take one example. Suppose 7 is greater than negative 5. Correct. Now I'm going to multiply. Now I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 1. Okay, I'll see first result, then I will plug in over here the inequality sign. This is negative 7, this is negative times negative positive. So you tell me, now negative 7 is greater than 5? No, it is going to be less than. So question was greater, but when we multiplied by negative quantity on both sides, the inequality sign get changed. If it is greater, it has converted to less than sign. Okay, similar way, instead of multiplication, if I divide, suppose the same example if I take, okay, now I am going to divide. If I divide both sides by negative 1, I am dividing. This negative will cancel out, what is comes 2, and over here it is going to become 1, negative 1. So what is going to happen? Again the inequality sign is getting reversed. If it is less than, it is getting converted into the greater than sign. So what you can say, when you multiply by negative quantity or divide, the inequality sign get flipped. Okay, so this is going to be the rule 3. What is the rule 3? Multiply or divide inequality by negative quantity. Negative quantity, the inequality sign gets changed. Gets changed means if it is less than, it converts to greater than. If it is less than, converts to greater. If it is greater, convert to less than. If it is less than, it converts to greater. If it is greater than equals to, it converts to less than equals to. If it is less than equals to, it converts to greater than equals to. Got it? This is the rule 3. So these are the basic rules we are going to apply. We will not talk, there's so much rules which you can't remember. These are the 3 basic rules which we need to apply and get in, are going to use in solving the linear equations. So from next video onward, we directly see solving, how we can work out on the questions. Thank you.